What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Wall of Hype. My name is Orlando, and if you're new to the channel, we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. And in today's video, we've got a jam-packed lineup that I think you'll enjoy. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what we are doing. We'd appreciate your love and support to the channel. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Here we go. We got the Mocha Latte Louis Vuitton Customs, the LV Customs by Jar Customs. The shoe is a Nike Air Max 90. And what I like about this design is the simplicity. Now, by no means is this easy. It's not. You have the custom lace buckle, you have the custom tongue tag, and then you have the Louis Vuitton pattern on the toe box. You have it around the collar. You also have it on the heel, the back, and then you have it on the middle panels. And these two tones with the added white make this clean and not an over-the-top look. I think the Nike swoosh being simple without the pattern was a great choice, and then adding in those extra embellishments, especially for the toe tag and the custom lace buckle, was smart, just to give it that custom touch and ownership from Jar Customs. It's a beautiful Air Max, and it's a classic shoe that everyone loves. Okay guys, we got another treat. We got the Hydro Dipped Slides. A lot of people are interested in how dipped shoes work, but let's check out this video. The designer walks us through exactly what's being done. The design is a black and blue hydro dipped slides. The designer, Alxr. And the shoes that's being customized is the Nike Victori 1 slides. This whole process is just crazy. I wouldn't want to put my shoes in any type of water, let alone dip them. But the results, it's all random, organic, and it's just amazing. Some people hate it, some people love it. I think this design is clean, simple, and unique. I love the setup, the tape, covering the Nike, making sure all that is taken care of prior. Prep work is always important in any type of concept or custom design. If you guys are interested in seeing more hydro dip shoes, let me know in the comments below. Finally, we have a design called Man on the Moon 3, a design from Lucha Loafers. Man on the Moon 3, it's a custom inspired by Kid Cudi's artwork for his album. Let's check out this video. The details, the colors, all just amazing. I know this is an album cover that's being recreated on a shoe, but if you just look at those details, look at the face, you can look into the eyes of Kid Cudi, and you can see that this is an amazing artist. The brushstroke, the color work, the mixing, to get those colors, it's not easy. Those are just not pick up off the shelf colors that you can just get anywhere. And then just the level of detail, especially going up the lace guards, all the way back to the back of the heel, that full-blown panel. You can see that you're not looking at a shoe, but you're wearing one. So kudos. This is a great job by Lucha Loafers. Always have amazing work, and I'm excited to see what's next. Well, that's it for this video. Comment below and let us know which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. There are a ton of customizers creating awesome designs, and we'd love to try and showcase them all. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.